Right, on this last artboard, we are going to add some mock-ups and a image for your button that you're going to make. All right, so I am going to go to smartmockups.com and I'm going to choose a couple different things. There's a ton of stuff in here you can put your logo on. Technology, you can put it on smartphones, watches, TV screens, print, so branding, magazines, brochures, posters, things like that. Cards, vehicles, stickers. All right, so you're going to choose something. Hopefully you can find something that your company uses. I am going to choose, I'm going to go with this bag. So I'm going to click on it. You want to use things that are, or images that are free. And then I'm going to go to upload my image. So you should have a copy of your logo somewhere saved. This is where you're going to upload your logo. And if you wanted to, you could customize the background of the bag. I believe that might be a paid version, so I don't need to crop it. On this one, customize scene. You could choose your color if you wanted to change the color of your background to make it match your logo. It kind of picks the colors that are in your brand or that it can see and match it. So I'm going to go with this one and then hit download. I'm just going to choose medium. These ones with the crowns, those are paid. We don't want to do those. So I'm going to hit download. Medium. Give it a second and it should download. All right, so when I open up the download file that it just downloaded, it looks like this. That is my bag. So I can open that up in my download folder and it's right here. I'm going to rename this bag mockup and put it in my brand board folder so I know where it's at. And then I'm going to choose one more thing. I'm going to go with a t-shirt and find a shirt, maybe like a business type shirt and something that I might wear to a photo shoot. Maybe just something comfortable. Obviously it wouldn't be too crazy. I don't know, I'm just gonna pick one. Don't like spend too much time searching for the perfect one. You may not find it. So let's go to upload and then upload my design. I do want to resize it. I want it to be smaller than this, so I'm going to click on the edit button and let's see if I can change where it fits on my t-shirt. So I just put it really small in the corner. Nothing too crazy, but if you wanted to, like if you were making t-shirts, this is a great site for you to get an idea of how it's going to look. I'm going to hit crop and continue. Looks okay. It's kind of blurry, but that's okay. I get the point. And then I'm going to hit download. Again, download the medium file. Let it download, and it's going to be there. I'm going to go to my download folder and put it into my brand board file, and then I'll go back to Illustrator and place it on my artboard. So I'm going to go to File, Place, and find both of those mock-ups. So I'm going to place this one, just drag it right here. They don't have to be really big. I just want small images. We're going to cut them out and glue them onto our board. All right, and then that looks good. My final design is going to be a button. So I need to make a place for a button. I will have a place for you to put your button on the template. So it's going to be 2.25 inches. All right, so this is going to be where I'm going to put my logo for my button. I'm going to go to File, Place my logo right on top. I'm going to do a clipping mask and I'll probably have to resize it. So select both of them, hit create clipping mask. Oh, I have to fix this really quick. So I'm going to pause it up real quick. All right, so in your button spot, make sure that your logo fits within the circles. That way it doesn't, when you cut it out, it doesn't wrap around your button. And I will show you what the buttons look like in class so you can get an example of what we are going to create. So I'm just going to shrink it down just a little bit more. Make sure it's centered. It's going to be really important that it is centered. Okay, all right, that looks good. All right, this is what my completed brand board looks like. When you are all done, you guys don't have this one though. When you guys are all done, you are going to print everything out on one of the two printers, either the 251 or the 22DN, depending on which one is busy. When you're all done, we're going to paste them onto an art or a cardstock board, and that'll be your final presentation piece. All right, so when you're done, you're going to save your Illustrator file. So I'm going to save it, and then you're going to export as your brand package, and you're going to save it as a JPEG file, and then go ahead and hit export. Make sure to put this, when you're saving and exporting, put it in your student U drive in a folder titled brand package.